So here is our domestic hot water relay that would be tied into your indirect with a aquastat and the pumps. On the right hand side of the boiler, we'll slide the wires and Molex plugs into the opening. We'll rest this into position. Now you can either pre-wire it before you put your screw into position, or just simply place the screw into position and you can wire it from underneath. I'll start with the Molexes. Here we have our low voltage, our 24 volt Molex that is labeled P3. That is a red and yellow wire that's going to tie to the Molex from the boiler and lock into position. Next is our 120 volts for the pump, and that is terminal P4, and that ties into the other Molex for 120 volts. And lastly, you're going to have your two blue wires with white stripes that tie onto terminal 3 and terminal 4. Terminal 4 and 5 go to your domestic aquastat. Terminals 1, 2, and 3 go to your domestic pump. Terminal 1 is ground, terminal 2 is neutral, terminal 3 is hot. Once you're done wiring that, take your finger guard, place it into position, and lock that into position.